In this guide, I'll show you how to calibrate your controller analog sticks on your Nintendo Switch 2 and fix stick drift. So the first thing you want to do is go to System Settings on the home menu, then scroll down to Controllers and Accessories and scroll over, and you want to scroll down until you see Calibrate Control Sticks and select it. Now custom mapping will be temporarily turned off, so be wary of that. And then select one of your analog sticks and press it to the side and wait for it to bring you to this page. Now from here, you'll be able to see if there's stick drift present, if it's not dead center like this. So let's say, for example, my controller was just sitting right here. That would show that I have stick drift. So in order to calibrate, you want to press X on your controller, and then it's going to give you this warning that please avoid calibrating unless there's a problem. So I'm just going to select Calibrate, and then what you want to do is follow the instructions. So I'm going to bring it to this side and release. We're going to do the next one, down and release. Then we're going to do left and release. And then you want to do up and release. Then it's going to ask you to turn your analog sticks along the border in the clockwise rotation a few times. And after you've done that, the calibration will be complete. Now, if you notice after exiting that the controller sticks aren't really working that well, you can always press Y to restore it to factory settings and press A, and then you can complete that process. So now you want to press B to go back, and then you want to do your other analog stick to fix the stick drift. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.